always feel bad that it's not as clear as I want it to be when I'm done.
Yeah.
We love our job.
That we do.
Okay. So this is today's job. We are gonna add this bad boy right here to the edge of the pond. We are going to do away with the suction grid that attaches to this. And make maintenance a little bit easier for her. So she has a skimmer and an Aquasurge 4000 on this baby instead of the setup that's here now. So stay tuned, we're trying to beat the rain. Progress being made. Pump is out. All that nightmare of plumbing is done, out of there. We'll see what we can get going now.
A few moments later.
So we got rained out. Well, rain didn't so much stop us as lightning. So I'm a little leery working in the lightning. But we got this new bulkhead into the existing biofall. Done. Some rock work to put back together tomorrow. Our skimmer is in. Got to get our overflow hooked up tomorrow. Get some of this rock work finished up tomorrow. Backing in. Our lilies are back in. Fish are back in. We built a little fish cave in there. We'll have to show that to you tomorrow once this is cleared up. But skimmer is in. Getting out of here before I get struck.
24 hours later.
I always feel bad that it's not as clear as I want it to be when I'm done.
Yeah.
Well, okay. Yeah, I'm like, everything I leave, I'm like, I can't really see it. On the rock work back together. Ross built his first wall. All right. Overflow, see?
They were last night too.
Very cool.